me see. Where was I? We were talking about the reservation.
They were teaching me how to be an Indian. And bows and arrows and riding and learning the...
So one from me said that I really like is he said, we don't go to church to be entertained. And I can tell you from running conferences and
fancy. What I'm mistaken. I'm really on fun.
in this position, it's heartbreaking sometimes when you really want to get in deeper with some.
It's sort of.
And tell you what.
Sí, let's go esperar.
Let's go. Practice makes perfect.
Major Nelson, do you mind letting me hear that voice again?
I'd really rather not, sir.
You know.
Well, if you don't mind,
I dream a dream.
why not? You might say this. Well, is there anything I can do for you?
I had some forms for you to fill out, but with a voice like that, you mustn't waste your time. I'll see you later, Major.
You're gonna blink that voice away and you're gonna promise not to bring it back, or I won't forgive you, I swear. No, no, I'm not kidding. No?
Very well. I promise that you will not sing like this so again.
All right.
And that makes you happier?
It just makes me feel safer. Usually, when you do these things, I get in a lot of trouble. Luckily, this time there's been no trouble. And but we'll do it again. We'll just forget about the whole thing.
Yes. When will Major Healy return?
He ought to be back.
Oh, I'll find out when my birthday is.
Yeah, I've got to get back to the base. Would you clean up all this glass and that stuff?
Oh, certainly, Master.
See you later.
Okay.
You wanted me in what? Please, Tommy. Sir, I can't sing, sir. I admire nature, but in this case, believe me, it's misplaced. You have a voice that even Caruso would have been proud of. Yeah, you are. You're gonna have a record. So I don't understand. I thought you'd be proud to be up there giving your all. Well, that's just it. It's not my own to give. You have the only voice I've ever heard that shatters glass. More than once, I saw it. It was an accident, or just an accident. Believe me, if I went out there, I'd be singing under false pretenses. Why would you? Well, I don't have a trained voice, sir. I don't have any control over it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Tony, I have my heart set on this trophy. Now, you're going to go in and you're going to win. Oh, well,